Yes,
Yes,
coach.
okay.
Invite
So
ko siya.
yes, just sit back and relax, and we hope that we get to encourage you tonight and inspire you tonight to also start your journey with Usana. So, let's start. We are very, very happy that you guys are here on a Tuesday night. Medyo maulan dito ngayon sa Mindoro, but we are very thankful that we have internet connection. So please feel free to chat if something
Yeah.
is not working well with our audio or with our visuals. All right? So siguro wag na nating patagalin.
Yes.
Oo, kasi
Yes. Oo.
I'm sure naghihintay sila kung ano ba tong pag-uusapan natin tonight. But to give you uh, background first,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So, we do this every night, every weekdays,
Mm-hmm.
Tuesdays to Fridays, and sometimes Tuesdays to Saturdays at 8 o'clock p.m. We do these kinds of free online talks para magbigay ng marami pang information
Information.
about
Yes.
Usana. So, this is an open event. Kasi ngayon, napakadami ng mga taong naghahanap ng
Yeah.
extra income, extra opportunity, work from home setup. And so this is one of our simple ways to help our communities, our friends and families na talaga namang qualified, 'di ba? Qualified, and they can also do
Yes.
start with Usana. So we're happy to have you tonight. Thank you for also inviting us sa mga nag-organize. So, before we start, my name is Mara.
Hi, I'm Mark. And we've been married for 7 years.
Oo, 7 years na. Happy ka?
Yeah, of course, of course.
So, medyo may konting pause
May
doon.
delay na, may
Oo,
delay.
may delay doon. Siguro, dala na lang ng internet connection yun. Masaya ako na maganda yung sagot mo. So, we're happily married and kwento namin sa inyo yung life namin as we go along with this discussion. Are you guys ready? If you guys are ready, please do type 1. Ayan, ready sila. Okay, sige. Push. Okay. So, this is an event.
Very
Oo, no?
casual lang,
Very
no?
casual event lang to. Para sa mga guests natin
Yeah.
tonight, this is a Usana business presentation, but with a twist because
Yeah.
as we present to you the business of Usana, the great company of Usana, we are also going to share with you our 10 years journey with
Yeah,
it.
our story basically, ano?
Oo, our story with you sana, with this amazing company. So, let's start. Ayan, pakilala mo muna tayo.
Grabe, ano? I'm Mark and this is Mara. We've been married for 7 years. And kung napansin nyo, 10 years yung nakita nyo sa 10 years journey with Yusana. So basically talagang mas matagal yung nakilala namin ang Yusana. And Yusana talaga yung isa sa pinaka-importanteng part kung bakit kami nagkakilala ulit,
Connect
nagkaroon,
ulit.
reconnect ulit. Kasi way back in high school, we were friends. But nung nag-college kami, nag-separate ways kami, nakapaghanap ko na siya ng work, ako din naghanap ng work.
May girlfriend ka din nun, may
Yeah.
boylets din ako nun. So, talagang separate
Yeah,
lives.
separate life. But nung high school, very good friends talaga. But nung I was introduced sa Yusana March 12, 2010, I was working na for 2 years sa isang company. During that time talaga, just like many people siguro, mga employees, no, nagkaroon din ako ng same problem like siguro karamihan na talagang naghahanap ng extra kasi during that time, although maganda naman yung title,
Ano ka nga ba nun?
engineer.
Oh.
Engineer yung title. Ang IE ang tawag sa amin, industrial engineer, pero some people call us instant engineer kasi yung mga engineer na kagaya namin walang boards. So nakahanap naman ako ng work kung ano yung na pag-aralan ko nung college. Pero ang naibigay sa aking sweldo ay maganda yung title na naibigay sa akin. Ang title ko ay was a materials analyst. So dito sa province namin kapag nakapagtrabaho sa Manila, ayan.
Sikat na.
Sikat,
Oo.
parang ang pinagkakalat na yan sa mga kapitbahay.
Baryo. Sa mga baryo namin.
Sabi talaga si
Oo.
Mark nakahanap ng nagtrabaho
Sa
sa
Manila. Sa
Manila.
mataas na building.
Yes, tapos ang title ng work niya analyst. So magandang pakinggan, pero lingid sa
Kaalaman.
kaalaman ng aking mga magulang at aking mga kamag-anak, talagang ang sweldo ko ay saktong-sakto, kung di man sakto kulang talaga
Parang
ang
Coke.
pangko.
Minsan sakto,
Minsan sakto,
pero
minsan
minsan zero.
zero.
Oo.
So, yun talaga. So, during that time, I was praying na may dumating sa akin opportunity. And talaga naman kapag nag-ano ka naman talaga, humingi ka talaga ng opportunity. Hindi naman talaga,
Hindi nagkukulang
hindi
ng
nagkukulang.
opportunity
Oh, yes.
talaga. Oo.
So,
Laging available.
meron akong kaibigan na lumapit sa akin, biglang tumawag sa akin, and meron daw siyang i-introduce na something about online opportunity. And during that time, wala ako masyadong idea. Basta grab lang ako ng grab ng mga opportunity. Nadala ako, nakidnap ako
Sa
sa
Yusana.
Yusana office sa
Makati.
Makati.
Oo.
So to cut the very long story short, I was 24 years old. I started the business without experience,
Okay ko na dyan kung gusto mo ng turn.
without skills, without money.
About capital, saan galing yung capital mo nun?
Ginawan ko siya ng paraan kasi nung time na yon, nag-start ako sa 3 Business Center. Later siguro maintindihan niyo yung
Yes, we will
sinasabi ko.
explain it everything.
Yes, but ultimately, wala ako masyadong ganong kalaking capital. Ginawan ko siya ng paraan. And ayun, I'm very thankful dun sa 24-year-old self ko kasi ano siya, meron siyang mga ginawang tamang desisyon.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes, yes.
Kasi up to now, hanggang ngayon, pinangingilabutan ako kasi it could have been a different life.
Yeah.
It could have been a different decision, and it could
Correct.
have been a different life for us, for me.
Ano pa rin gusto mo?
Hindi ako nakapag-start ng isa.
Yes.
Oo.
I asked about the capital kasi for those who are guests tonight, this is a business presentation. And later on, you will get to hear all the details about Yusana business. And 'di ba kapag may business, laging may capital,
Yes.
laging may emotional capital, alam mo 'yon, meron kang resource capital, monetary capital. And dun sa nangyari nga kay Mark, hindi lang siya basta gumawa ng paraan for the monetary capital, kundi nag-decide talaga siya. Isa talaga siyang malaking
Decision.
mental decision nung time na 'yon because he was just 24 years old. And then, sabi niya, nag-reconnect kami because of Yusana, right?
Yes, because syempre sabi nung mentor ko, nag-coach sa akin, find someone better than you. Ayan, di ba? So, syempre, gano'n naman talaga. If you're the CEO of the company, kailangan humanap ka ng magaling na president mo or magaling na vice president mo. So, syempre, kailangan kong isipin yung pinaka-best person na kilala ko. And syempre, pinaka-closest friend ko nung high school, naisip ko kasi ito very
Bibo.
bibo. President namin sa school, executive sa work na niya ngayon, very successful sa
Nung time na
corporate
yun, sa
life.
HSBC.
And yun, kahit wala akong number niya, talagang in-scroll ko siya sa Friendster ba? Yun?
Oo, Friendster pa ata yun. Diba?
Friendster.
Oo, Friendster.
Yeah. Doon kami nag-reconnect. Then,
In-invite niya ako sa
Yes.
Yusana. Year 2010, I
Yan,
was
maganda.
his first invite sa Yusana. And during that time, it was a totally different time because hindi pa sanay ang mga tao na bumibili sila ng vitamin sa kapwa nila tao. 'Di ba? Do you still remember that? Na pag may binili tayong vitamins, syempre pupunta tayo sa Mercury or sa Watsons. Hindi tayo sanay na kapag may binibili tayong product, especially health products, is sa kaibigan nating engineer. 'Di ba? Kasi nung time na yun, parang gino-joke-joke lang niya ako na parang ang tingin ko, ano ba tong kaibigan ko? Parang na-scam ata siya. Parang na-scam siya. Nagbebenta siya ng vitamin, sobrang layo sa
career
and industry
sa
niya.
profession, yes.
Tapos gusto pa niya ako isali. HR personnel ako. Ano namang gagawin ko sa vitamins? Tsaka feeling ko noon, I'm so fit, I'm so young,
Young.
'di ba? And I'm invincible. Na parang, why would I need a product, a health product sa age ko? But yun nga, to cut the long story short, hindi talaga siya tumigil. At sa sobrang persistent niya, hindi lang niya ako napa-join sa USANA, kundi naging mag-asawa na rin kami. O, diba? And actually, sa pag-asawa namin, sa 7 years, nabiyayaan kami ng 2 anak. Ayan. So, meron na kaming 2 kids, si Max and si Victor, and we're raising them hands-on talaga, full-time mom
Yeah.
and full-time dads kami talaga. So, ang lagi namin sinasabi, part-time entrepreneurs lang kami because we are full-time parents. And, I want to start siguro to kick off this this business presentation by telling you why I was encouraged to start the business after 3 years.
Years.
After 3 years, actually. Because 2010, he first invited me in USANA, but it took me 3 years before I joined. Okay? So again, it took me 3 years before I joined. So sa mga lahat ng na-invite dito ngayon, wag nyo akong gagayahin. No, wag nyo gagayahin kasi it took me 3 years to decide and appreciate this amazing company. So to start with, I would like to introduce to you the founder because this is the one of the main reason why I joined USANA. Sa lahat ng company na nasalihan ko, laging ang pinaka boss nila or pinaka CEO, never ko na meet. Never ko nakita yung background. Pero with USANA, I know and I'm confident that the founder and the backbone of this company is actually a visionary and a scientist himself. So, ang first priority talaga niya with USANA, when it comes to USANA, is the products, the integrity of the products more than the sales. So, kami ni Mark, we are also blessed to got the chance to meet Dr. Myron Wenz, who is an immunologist and
Microbiologist.
microbiologist. And he is also a philanthropist and a Albert Einstein awardee.
Yes.
Diba?
Very prestigious award na binibigay sa mga scientists for life sciences.
Yes. And itong award na to, 2 lang ba sila?
Yes.
2 lang sila sa buong mundo na na-awardan niyang prestigious accolade na yan. And hindi yan yung tipong parang popularity
Yes,
contest.
that was
ha?
1997.
Oo.
That was-
These awards are being given to people who have contributed significantly in the world, not only in the industry but in the world. And so we are very, very proud to be part of his amazing company and his vision. Yes. Ang vision ni Dr. Myron Wen, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng vision niyan. Later I will share it with you. Ang vision niyan is to be a world free of suffering and pain. 'Di ba? Because suffering and pain nowadays are due to genetic diseases or lifestyle diseases. And one thing that also inspired me to start with USANA is because of its products. So if you'll ask me, itong products na to are really life-changing because nung in-invite ako ni Mark
Yes.
sa USANA, this is my personal testimony, okay? Nung na-invite ako ni Mark sa USANA, yes, I'm young, I'm just 24, and I thought I will not need at all any health product because I am very, very healthy. But during that time, my mother got sick and she had an extreme type of arthritis around her hips. That because of that illness, because of that extreme type of rheumatoid, naging bedridden siya. And here comes Mark na pilit ng pilit na bumili ako ng USANA. Sabi ko, ikaw talaga, napaka-opportunista mo. Nakita mo na nga yung sitwasyon ng nanay ko, bibentahan mo pa ako ng USANA. Sabi niya, o sige, para hindi ka ma-offend, huwag mong bayaran hanggang hindi pa gumagaling. O, 'di ba? So, sa lahat ng mga USANA distributors na nakikinig ngayon, if you have customers na ayaw bumili or ayaw mag-try, bigyan nyo ng konting pabor. Basta sabihin nyo, pag hindi nila binayaran, hindi na ulit gagana. Okay?
Hindi,
So-
pero may ulterior motive.
Yes, may ulterior motive talaga siya. Kasi during that time, he was giving my mother products, even my mother did not even understand kung ano yung USANA. Basta yung mother ko, take lang siya ng take kasi ang reason niya, anak, natry ko naman na lahat kahit nga Dr. Kwak-Kwak, mga bulong-bulong, mga ganyan-ganyan. Grabe talaga, mga tapal-tapal. Natry niya na lahat until USANA came to her life. And now, I'm very, very happy to share with you that for the past 7 years also, my mother is well and able to walk again. Mind you, during that time na nagkasakit siya, she was diagnosed by the doctor and was advised that she will no longer walk anymore unless she will have a total hip replacement. But because of USANA's Essentials, which again, I am saying na this is a personal testimony ha, sinishare ko lang ito sa inyo. Ang disclaimer ko dito is that these products that we are going to share with you are only food supplement, but because of the integrity of our products, they are already considered as cure for nutrition deficiency. And during that time, yung mother ko, yung nutrition niya na renew, na nourish ulit ng Cell Essentials, and I guess her body was able to cope up with the illness and she was able to recover. All products of USANA are made in this amazing facility in Utah, USA. So lahat ng products na iniinom natin, iniinom ng mga celebrity na mga nagpo-post-post sa social media na hindi naman sila bayad ng USANA, or yung mga products na iniinom ng mga kapitbahay natin or mga kamag-anak natin sa abroad, from USANA, they're all from this facility. Alright? So they're all from Utah, USA. Another reason why I got inspired to start with USANA is because of this principle. Sobrang simple lang ng product eh. Wala siyang pampaputi, pampaganda. Those are after effects katulad namin. O, diba? After 7 years of taking USANA, talagang yung mukha ko, pag nilagay mo siya sa 10-year challenge, parang wala masyadong nagbago. Oo. Nag-iba lang yung aura. O, diba? But it's a very, very simple product. What it does is it just nourish, binabalik niya yung mga nawawalang nutrients sa katawan. Kasi araw-araw when we function, syempre, we have a lot of outlets of nutrients and vitamins in our body. So it nourish, binabalik, and then it protect, especially nowadays that we have, this global crisis going on around us that concerns our health. I think it is a very, very good thing to do to prioritize your health protection, your family's protection. And USANA does that. And third is renew. 'Di ba? Sabi nga renew, para kang you get to wake up again, refresh. 'Di ba? You get to renew yourself on a cellular basis. Alright, cellular basis, ibig sabihin lahat ng namamatay na cells araw-araw dahil nagagamit. Di ba alam niyo yung saying na, namatay yung brain cells ko, na-stress ako, ganon. Itong Cell Essentials na to, mabubuhay ulit ang mga namatay. Or kaya papalitan niya na ng mga buhay ang mga patay. So,
better cells.
Oo. Pero syempre, hindi to gumagana sa mga tao. Habang dead na. Okay? Sa cells lang, alright? Sa cells lang. Mabuti na yung malinaw. Ayoko masyadong baka quote ako, mamali tayo. Alright, next. Ayan. And, syempre, nung sinabi mo sa akin na yung business ng USANA available in 24 countries, sabi ko talaga nung time na na-encourage ako mag-start, ito na yung pag-asa ko makapag-travel. Kasi sa almost 8 years ko sa work, sa employment, wala man lang ako napuntahan. Isa lang, natatandaan mo yun? Sa Hong Kong. Tapos, ikaw lang ang nakapasyal kasi ako nandun sa conference. 'Di ba? Wala man lang ako napuntahan. Hindi nga ako makapag-Disneyland dun kahit nasa Hong Kong ako kasi nag-work ako. Pero with USANA, I'm so thankful because hindi pa man namin nararating yan 24 countries na yan, but I think we've been in 10 countries already and visited 10 USANA offices in those 24 countries. So, meron pa tayong 14. Puntahan natin after COVID, agad-agad. Okay? So, yan. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng USANA. Travel kayo, and then at the same time, may I add that in those 24 countries, you can also do business.
Yes.
Okay? So, we have here in this call, we have, for example, si Coach Jel Manalo. She has associates and customers in some countries, like for example, not only in the Philippines, but she also has in Indonesia. in Italy, diba? And kami ni Mark, we have customers in almost 8 major USANA countries available. So we are not just selling vitamins, hindi lang kami vitamin girl and vitamin boy. Hindi lang ako Miss Usana, hindi lang siya Mr. Usana, kundi we are actually international independent distributors. O, diba international? Parang
Yeah, siguro yun yung isa sa malaking difference sa USANA kasi once you got on board in USANA, independent international distributor ka agad.
Hindi kita boss ha.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya boss.
We're
Hindi
not
niya rin ako
coming
boss.
in sa USANA as an employee. We're not coming in as a USANA as an agent kasi kapag agent ka, limited ka rin sa area mo.
Tsaka i-check din,
Yeah.
i-check ka, may parang agent ka, may boss ka, ganun.
Tsaka pag agent ka, for example, quote ko na lang, kapag insurance agent ka, even if for example, Sun Life ka, insurance Sun Life ka sa Philippines, you cannot sell insurance policies
In other countries.
in other
Talagang
country.
yung license mo or
Sa Philippines.
yung registration mo pang Philippines lang. So, with USANA, ang ibig mo sabihin, kapag nag-register tayo sa Philippines, we are already free to do business in all 24 countries. Ayun, yun ang ibig sabihin. So, that saves a lot of energy and brain cells.
Yan,
and,
si Jel, nagsabi, Indonesia, Thailand, Italy, USA,
yun
Canada,
pala. Ba, nadagdagan pa pala.
Philippines.
Wow, congratulations, Coach Jel. So, with her distributorship, wala na siyang ibang registration ginawa, no? Kundi isa lang. Oo, dito lang kasi nandito siya sa Philippines. Okay. So I hope you're all following, and doon sa lahat ng mga kaka-join lang, again, my name is Mara and this is Mark, and we are married and we are sharing our 10-year journey with USANA together with the information about this amazing company and your opportunity to start with USANA as well. So again, balik tayo dun sa kung ano pa yung tungkol dun sa product. Yung Cell Essentials na kinikwento ko sa inyo kanina na nagpa bago ng buhay ng mother ko, ng buhay ko, ng buhay niya. Ito yon yung green and blue.
Ibinayad na actually, kaya kami naging mag-asawa ni Mentor Mara kasi
ang dami niyang binigay na ganyan sa nanay ko. Ako yung ibinayad. Wala na kasi kaming maibayad. Hindi pa kami mayaman noon. Ngayon na lang. Joke lang.
joke.
So yung nanay ko, binayad ako sa kanya. Sabi niya, Mark, wala akong maibayad sa
Anak ko na lang.
sa lahat ng binigay mo sa akin libreng Cell Essentials, pumili ka sa lahat ng anak ko. Eh syempre, mga kapatid ko naman, 3 lalaki. Ako lang naman ng babae. So malamang ako yung pipiliin niya, di ba? So yun, pinili niya ako. So yan, mag-asawa na kami. Wala na siyang magagawa. Wala na solian. So this is the Cell Essentials, the flagship product of USANA. So whenever I share about the Cell Essentials, I also share why why do you need to take vitamins? And this is the most important thing. How do you choose your vitamins? Kasi yun yung importante. Kasi 'di ba sa panahon ngayon, sobrang daming vitamins, napakadaming commercial, lalo na ngayong nagkaroon na ng mga COVID-19 pandemic, people are really clamoring to get themselves some vitamins. Pero paano mo nga ba malalaman kung tama yung binibili mo?
So, sobrang dami ng brands. Hindi enough yung buhay natin para masubukan natin.
Hindi.
Isa-isa, ano?
Oo, tsaka mahirap yun. Kung shampoo lang yun, pwede natin i-try yun.
Try, no?
Lotion, pang ganyan-ganyan, kuskus sa mga siko-siko. Kung ganun, kung topical lang siguro. Pero something you take in, parang ang hirap naman baka sakali. So this is what I share. So I always share, these are the profile or the health support profile or the criteria for judging when you choose a product. So I always tell them, look for these 18 criterias. So completeness, potency, mineral forms, yung content niya. And for in my case, ang isa sa pinaka-importante sa akin ay ang potential toxicities, because USANA products are not only for adults. It has products that can offer for the whole family. So in our case, with our kids also, they're all using USANA. And ayoko naman na may potential toxicity yung pinapatake ko sa mga anak ko and even sa sarili ko. So with Cell Essentials, they have been graded or they have been placed in a category na sobrang taas that they gained 5-star platinum grade. So ibig sabihin, kung sa sa hotels, meron tayong 1-star hotel, 2-star hotel, 3-star
Yeah.
hotel. Ito yung mga hotel na kung budget ka at hindi pa kaya ng budget mo yung 5-star, doon ka na lang sa mga medyo lower star. Pwede pa din. Pero with Usana, 5-star siya. And kung titingnan mo, so pang mayaman lang din siya, pang may kaya lang din siya, pang may budget din siya. Actually, hindi. Kasi later on, makikita nyo kung magkano lang ang Sales Essentials. And if there's a product that can, put more value on
Yeah.
on every peso you're earning, syempre dun ka, di ba? So, ito yan. So, Usana Sales Essentials 5-star. And compared to other popular brands, if you can look at here, we have placed several names because it is actually available in this book. Itong book na to, Nutritional Supplements Guide. Hindi kami nagbabasta-basta lang. So, if you can look or search for this book, these are readily available in National Bookstore or Power Books, Amazon, yeah. And you can see that totoo na they graded the different brands, 1,600 brands to be exact. And one of those brands, which is Usana, has the highest grading.
And walang ibang libro na kagaya ng nutritional
Yeah.
supplements. Ibig sabihin, one book lang yan na reference for consumers to find kung ano yung mas magandang product sa kanila.
Na kung bibili ka, di ba pag kunyari sa Lazada, kapag may binibili tayo, binabasa
review,
natin yung review para makita natin hindi tayo char-char lang ng
Yeah.
mga binibilhan natin, di ba? So, ito yan. So, kapag bibili ka ng vitamins, let's say,
Isa lang siya na reference.
oo, parang kung hindi ka pa naniniwala sa sinasabi ko, pwede mo tingnan tong
Yes.
book na to. And if we are going to even discuss this further, ito talaga yung pinakasimple. O sige, kung the book sounds or look very, complicated pa for you, ito na lang pag-usapan natin. Safety, dapat safe, hindi nakakamatay. 'Di ba? Mahirap naman yung safe siya ngayon after 3 days, after 5 days, after 1 month, hindi mo na pala siya pwede i-take kasi may potential toxicities. Number 2, innovation. Dapat yung product or yung company is very, very true and consistent when it comes to research and development. Dapat hindi siya yung product nila 20 years ago,
Yeah,
yun pa
yun
rin
pa rin.
yung content. Kasi nagbabago yan nagbabago. Science is an ever-evolving subject. Number 3, dependability. Na kapag sinabi ng product that it is
Yes.
complete, it is
It's complete.
complete. Number 4 is purity. Ibig sabihin, kapag tinake mo yung product, what's in the tablet will also be absorbed by your body. What the bottle says should be in the product. And that should be true to what you're taking in. Hindi yung sinabing 100% organic, 100 or 90% vitamin, let's say 600 milligrams vitamin C. Hindi pwedeng ang na-absorb lang ng katawan mo 200 milligrams lang. So, dapat pure siya. Number 5 is effective. And, syempre, ang pinaka-favorite ko is ito, zero tolerance for error. 'Di ba? Ito yung favorite ko kasi ang hirap naman nung nagtitake ka ng product na iniinom mo araw-araw tapos hindi ka sure na baka may mali. Tayo nga, kung sa mga damit-damit lang natin at mga sapatos natin, makeup, pabango, napaka-metikuloso
Yes.
natin. Lalo pa kaya sa product, 'di ba?
Sa cellphone, kung magkamali ka ng bili ng brand ng cellphone, kung masira siya the next day, okay lang, palitan mo na lang.
Warranty.
Bumili ka na lang ulit ng bago. Pero kapag nagtitake ka ng supplements na something you take in, pumapasok sa katawan mo, talagang kailangan ng mataas na
Yeah.
quality.
But talking of warranty or guarantee, Usana also has this amazing program, which is the athlete guarantee program.
Yeah.
If you do not know, our athletes here in the Philippines take Usana products, especially those who are gold medalists. Usana has a partnership with Philippine Sports Commission kung saan yung mga athletes natin ay umiinom talaga ng Usana products. And these people who are athletes, they have very, very sensitive and maselan na process para mag-qualify sila sa mga games or sa mga programs for them. And kapag na-test sila with illegal substance any case, at any time, na there are playing for a country or for a sports, they will be automatically disqualified. And so far, with USANA, with this program, na kung saan kapag nag-take sila ng USANA products at na-test sila with illegal substance, they'll be awarded with how much?
$1 million.
$1 million. And
So far, wala pang nakakuha ng $1 million.
Wala pang nakakakuha ng $1 million. So, wala pa talagang natitest na athlete with error or with any illegal substance. So, I'm very, very proud of that. Ayan. So, moving on. Ayan. And syempre, Baba, ito talaga. Solid track record naman. Wala naman tayong masasabi dyan. Number 1.
Yes.
Number 1. Not only number 2 or number 3, but number 1 for not only 1 year, but 2 straight years ang USANA na best supplement in
Brand.
the Philippines. Diba? And not only in the Philippines, they're number 1 in Malaysia, they're number 1 in Singapore. And this is via Euromonitor International. Hindi ito sabi-sabi lang. Mahirap yung sabi nino, diba? Sabi nung tita ko, number 1. Hindi na.
Radio station, lahat sila number 1.
Oo nga. Pag din may mga love team, number 1 love team. Pag may movie, number 1 blockbuster.
Kailangan may isang reference talaga.
Yes, and in this case, the reference is Euromonitor International. Ayan. So, eto na. So, nakita ko na kung gaano kaganda yung product, nakita ko na yung company. Siyempre, nung mag-asawa na kami, ang isa sa pinaka-importante nga ay, sabi nga, kapag mag-asawa na, meron 3 C na importante. Number 1 is communication. Meron naman kami nun, very open naman kami sa isa't isa. Commitment, very, naman kami, very strong. Solid ang aming commitment sa isa't isa, diba? Sa pagtanggap namin sa bawat isa, sa imperfection, at sa mga strengths and weaknesses. Committed talaga. Diba? Walang makakapaghiwalay. Number 3 is si Christ. Siyempre si Lord. Siyempre hindi pwedeng hindi siya kasali sa relationship natin. And sabi nga, pwede nating dagdagan ng isa pang C, which is cash. Ayan. So pinaka-importante.
Ayan, may nag-chat si Coach G.
Oo, cash. Oo, correct. Cash. Kasi sa buhay mag-asawa, dalawa lang naman ang pinag-aawayan eh. 'Di ba? Yung isa is siguro selos, ganyan. Hindi kami nag-aaway doon kasi wala naman siyang pagseselosan sa akin. At siya din naman, 'di ba? Hindi ko din siya pag-iisipan na may K pa ba siya na na chill and mag-look around. Syempre hindi, 'di ba? With me being his wife.
May pang-apat commission.
Ayun nga, cash commission. And so, dito na nga. So, hindi talaga kami nag-aaway other things. And ito yung another thing na nagbibigay ng stress sa mag-asawa, which is yung cash. And isa sa ina-address ng USANA company, ng USANA opportunity is itong magkaroon tayo ng extra opportunity na makompensate tayo. And doon pumapasok yung pang-apat na C, which is cash or commission. Ayan. So, ready na ba kayo? If you're ready, type 2. If you're still enjoying listening to us, type 2. If you are not interested anymore, you can leave the call and do other fruitful things. Ayan. So, okay pa naman sila. Ayan, ready na ba kayo? So, we have 6 ways of earning. And these are retail sales, weekly commission, lifetime matching bonus, incentives, travel incentives. I miss traveling.
6 ways of earning.
Yes. Leadership bonus and elite bonus. So far, with our 10 years journey in USANA, we are able to unlock
retail
sales, weekly commissions,
travel incentives,
lifetime matching bonus, and leadership bonus. Isa na lang i-unlock natin.
Elite bonus.
Isa na lang. Anyways, to give you a very, very simple discussion or information about how to earn, we are only going to talk about 2 for tonight. The rest, we will discuss it or let the person who invited you discuss it even more. Pero sa lahat ng guests tonight, kapag nag-sign up kayo with USANA, upon starting your USANA, let's say tonight, nag-decide agad kayo, bukas, qualified na agad kayo.
Sa
Sa first two, retail sales and weekly commission. So, yun yung dalawa nating pag-uusapan kasi dun na lahat kayo agad qualified. Ayan. So, before we talk about the two ways of earning, ito yung gusto kong sagutin mo. Kasi, you've been with Usana longer than I do. So, narinig na nila why I am encouraged or why I am still enjoying my journey with Usana, and in the first place why I got inspired to start with Usana. But ako personally, and siguro most of them would like to know why you are still with Usana and if this business is really a good and legit company.
Yes, actually itong question na ito, is this company legit? Marami nating siguro sa Facebook, ang daming mga friends natin na iba't ibang company siguro probably na nagpo-post na company nila, then legit company. In Usana, actually hindi siya argument, yung word na legit. Kasi when your company is publicly traded company, is a $1 billion company, nakikita natin yung manufacturer
NYSE.
nasa NYSE. Actually, hindi na talaga siya argument or pag-usapan pa kung legit ba yung company or hindi. Pero for this topic, ito yung official communication ng Usana. Signs that your MLM company is legit. Okay. Syempre number one, product. Kasi maraming mga companies na lumalabas dyan na, for example, investment schemes. Ibig sabihin, magbigay ka lang daw ng pera after a month, after 2 months, mag-wait ka lang, meron ka ng return, makukuha agad.
Or magti-triple.
Kapag may pag may mga ganun na titriple yung pera mo. Kapag may mga ganung mga pitch or mga presentation, talagang takbuhan mo na yun kasi walang ganun. Kasi kung totoo yun, wala. Kasi kung mas better sila sa bank, dapat wala na yung bank. Di ba?
Right.
Kung magbibigay ka ng pera tapos after 2 months mababalik na sa yung pera, they are better than banks. Kung if they are better than banks, edi wala na dapat yung mga bangko. Kaya may mga financial institutions talaga.
Yes.
So siguro marinig niyo na rin yung mga dati tinitrade yung mga gold, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi kapareho lang din naman yun. If you're trading money for something and you're trading gold, or ang product nila ay gold, or ang product nila is Bitcoin. Something ang question, vague. Kasi ang pera, hindi naman, legit naman ang pera, totoo naman ang pera, di ba? Pero hindi siya pwedeng
i-trade sa kapwa niya pera.
I-trade sa kapwa niya pera.
Okay, I get it.
So, ganun din ang gold. Kasi pag tinanong naman, legit naman talaga ang gold, pero yung mga companies na ang product nila for network marketing is gold, hindi din pwede yun. Ganun din yung network marketing na ang product naman nila is Bitcoin, mahirap din yun. Kasi almost pare-pareho lang siya, pare-pareho ang concept na wala talaga siyang value exchange.
Okay.
Kaya kagaya nito, kailangan may value exchange. Pag nagbigay ka ng something for money, meron ka makukuha na same value.
Right.
So yun yung Usana.
So for example, yung mga companies na doesn't qualify dito sa first point, which is there is a product. Ito yung mga companies, kapag nagbigay ako ng 5,000
wala kang
pesos,
makukuha.
wala akong makukuha, certificate lang, or let's say virtual membership, or if I get something in return that is less than 5,000.
Yes.
So that doesn't qualify. So that means hindi siya legit. Okay, all right. Good. This one, the next one.
Do products have fair market value? Kasi kailangan talaga may value yung product sa market. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Kasi kadalasan people are buying into an opportunity in the business. For example, iba't ibang mga company na hindi naman nila talaga bibilhin yung product for the products. Tama? Kaya sila nag-buy in dun sa product kasi may promise of business. Pero yung kagustuhan ba talaga nila, bibilhin ba talaga nila yung product sa retail sa retail customer, hindi nila bibilhin. Kaya lang sila nagsa-sign up kasi may promise or package na business. With regards in Usana, without the business, without the compensation plan, without anything,
Bibili pa rin ako ng product.
bibili ka pa rin ng product kasi you
Okay.
know the value of the product. You know
Alright.
kung ano yung kayang gawin niya sa katawan natin.
Kaya in USANA, not all people who are involved
Yes.
are business builders.
Yes.
There are a
Yeah.
lot. There are more people who are just users.
So far, nasa around 20,000 total na yung customers
Active.
na
Active business builders.
in our organization.
Okay, yes.
Hindi naman sila active
Yes.
business builders, but most of them consumer users
Yes.
ng product.
Correct.
Yan.
Okay.
If the recruitment were to be stopped today, will the participants still make money? Magandang question yun. Kailangan talaga, kaya mayroon tayong, kay number 2, very important yun. Do products have market value? Kasi, the reason nga, bakit yung ibang mga companies ay nag-fail, kasi bumibili lang ang tao ng package, ng product, ng business package. Hindi talaga nila binibili yung product mismo.
Para gamitin.
Para gamitin.
Okay.
Sa atin, wala mang maging business builders. Yung mga associates under our organization, gumamit lang sila ng product kahit tigigisa, bumili lang sila ng product, mag-generate pa rin siya ng volume at eventually mag-generate pa rin siya ng
And
dollars.
dahil nga yung product natin is 5-star, nourish, protect, and renew, parang yung iba man, magbago man ang mga sitwasyon sa buhay, mag-iba man ang mga priorities sa buhay,
Yes.
hindi pa rin sila tumitigil mag-take ng product.
Kasi very highly consumable yung product
Yes.
natin. And mataas yung need. Kasi so far ngayon, in the past 9 months na nandito tayo sa situation na to, or pandemic, nagkaroon talaga ng market shift.
Yeah.
Suddenly, talaga nag-skyrocket yung demand when it comes
Need, no?
for products like this. Something
Dati,
that
alam mo, noong 2010, pag inaalok natin yung mga tao ng tungkol sa health, nakukornihan sila.
yes, oo.
Ngayon, tapos kapag nag-initiate tayo ng conversation tungkol sa health, tungkol sa vitamins, gino-joke nila tayo na parang, ayan na naman si
Ayan
Miss
na.
Yusana, ayan na naman si Mr. Vitamins. Ngayon,
Yes.
there are so many instances that they are the ones who are already reaching out to us, asking more information, and ibig sabihin nun, that's a very good indication that people are more conscious,
Yes.
mindful, and they're really after their health. They're all looking after their
So
health.
this is a very good time, perfect
Yes.
time for everyone to start a business on
health and wellness.
health and wellness.
Yes.
Kasi ito, 10 years ago, when I was presented by a friend, sinabi niya na few years from now, health and wellness industry will be a $1 trillion industry.
Yes.
And right now, nangyayari talaga.
Yes.
Talagang yung mga luxury
Brands like
na
shoes, bags, apparels, they're least
important,
priority na sila.
Hindi na siya masyadong binibili.
Even cars.
Mayroong mga buy one take one ng mga
Yes,
coaching.
and there was a
Ang dami
time-
nilang mga promos.
And there was even a time nung kasagsagan ng mga lockdowns, the gasoline value went down. 'Di ba? Yung mga shares ng mga franchise ng mga food also went down. Ang tumataas lang yung sales ng Yusana.
Yes, for this year nag-grow tayo ng half year pa lang 60%
Yes.
na yung growth.
And last year we grew 4 billion. We had 4 billion pesos worth of sales, and currently we have already surpassed that. In September pa lang, we were already at the 5 billion mark sales. So, ito ngayong December, I'm sure siguro mas mataas pa kesa doon.
Siguro for people talaga na nag-iisip ng negosyo, hindi lang nila alam kung anong negosyo, ang pinaka-safest and pinaka-secured platform that you can use is talagang health and wellness. Kasi hindi naman darating yung time na hindi maging priority ng tao ang health.
Yes.
Hindi siya uso-uso kasi unlike ng mga fashion, pwedeng
Yung face mask nga, ngayon lang siya uso. I mean, pag nawala na yung, hindi na siya relevant. Pero yung health products, kahit mawala naman.
Hanggat may tao na takot
Magkasakit, kahit anong sakit.
Yes, or mamatay ng maaga, di ba?
Nang wala sa plano.
Nang wala sa plano, talagang magiging top priority ng tao ang health.
Yes.
So it is the safest and most lucrative business platform that you can start today. And sure ka for the next coming years, talagang your business will thrive kasi you are in the
secure.
right industry.
Yes, kasi mahirap yung magre-risk ka lang din naman. Hindi ka pa sure dun sa
Yeah,
industry. Kasi in this business, of course, there is risk.
Yeah.
But because of our industry, yung risk natin is very slim. The least that can happen to you siguro, the worst that can happen is that hindi mo mabenta yung initial inventory mo. Ikaw na lang ang uminom.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang pinaka-worst na mangyari siguro sa business mo, yung buong family mo yung healthy.
Kasi kung naging ang business mo ay siomai, nagbili ka ng isang kahon siomai, hindi naman pwedeng ako siomai yung ulam mo, di ba?
Baka tubuan ka ng
Diba?
shark fins.
Siguro yung isa sa magandang point sa pagninegosyo, something na kailangan mo din daily, no?
Yes.
Kasi kapag hindi mo din naman siya gagamitin daily, ayaw mo din naman siyang gamitin daily, mahirap siyang negosyo.
Wag na lang.
No?
At saka ang hirap magnegosyo nung hindi ikaw personally gumagamit ng product. Like for example, ang dami nating nagsusulputang mga negosyo ngayon. Like for example, plants. Yung mga nagnenegosyo ng plants, they really love plants. Ang hirap nung magnegosyo tayo ng plants kasi uso. Pero ikaw personally, hindi ka naman green thumb. 'Di ba? With our business in Usana, when you become a business builder, you yourself will benefit kahit hindi ka pa nagsa-start mag-earn ng peso commission. Kasi yung health security mo pa lang, sobrang sobrang good revenue na yun, 'di ba? Sobrang good return of investment na siya.
And yung last na kasulat dito is there a reasonable product return policy? Yes, may product return policy ang Usana, and yun yung sign, yung confidence ng Usana dun sa product
Na
niya.
pag hindi gumana, ibalik mo. Ganyan. Joke lang. Buti na lang hindi ako ibinalik ni Mark. Yun yung parang confidence natin na sinasabi din sa mga nakakausap natin na just try it. Just start. Yun yung sinasabi ko laging just start. Kasi kapag nag-start ka, you'll get to know and you'll get to appreciate the product. At kapag it's not really working for you, you can even return it. Babayad sa'yo ng Usana. Yung full.
Pero wag naman yung after a month sabihin mo wala kang nararamdamang effect.
Kahit meron.
Feeling mo talaga wala kang nararamdamang effect, akala mo walang epekto sa'yo. Kasi kailangan lang din natin maintindihan na Usana is something nutrition siya. Ibig sabihin yung pag-ayos ng katawan natin is gradual din siya, hindi mo siya din nararamdaman.
Yes.
Kasi kagaya din ng pag-deteriorate ng katawan mo, hindi mo naman talaga nararamdaman. Araw-araw ka nag-iossi for 10 years, wala ka naman masyadong nararamdaman. Pero by the time na may maramdaman ka na, talaga mayroon ka ng lung cancer. Ganun din, most probably yung magiging effect sa'yo ng Usana kung if you're fairly healthy naman, very gradual, very konti-konti lang yung makaramdaman mo na napapansin mo na lang after a year, parang hindi ako nagkaroon ng sipo, parang hindi ko nagkaroon ng...
Over the span of more than 7 years, we are so thankful na yung lahat ng mga anak namin are very healthy. We never had an incident in emergency rooms. Di pa kami, thank you Lord na hindi man lang kami tumakbo sa ER or anything. Our kids do not have any allergies. Kami ni Mark, we are 34, we are fit, our sugar levels are okay, cholesterol levels are okay, we can sleep well. Wala kaming mga sakit-sakit na kung ano-ano. And I think our mothers also are very healthy. And yun pa lang Yun pa lang, 'di ba? Sobrang return of investment na siya, sobra-sobra pa. And kung kung may pagkakataon nga na very very rare na may nag-return ng product ng Usana guarantees very reliable, reasonable product return policy that you guys don't have to worry, right? So far, those are the things that you need to look at or you need to consider if you are looking at any opportunity,
Yes.
but you are here already tonight, so we are already encouraging you not to really take a deeper look with
Yes,
USANA.
kasi ah, marami tayong nagpe-present tayo din, sinasabi, kino-compare ang Yusana to, kapareho ba siya ng brand X?
Hindi.
Diba ganun?
Oo, lagi namin sinasabing hindi.
Yung pala Yusana, di ba kagaya siya ng
Brand Y,
brand Y?
brand.
Ganun?
Alam niyo na yon.
Iba't ibang brand. Mahirap siya sabihin na pareho kasi just like brand ng car na lang. Example na lang tayo. May Toyota and may BMW. Pareho silang kotse pero may 4 na gulong. Pero hindi sila pareho. Ganon.
Yeah.
So, pwedeng pareho sila ng itsura, pero technically, it's totally different policies, totally different company,
Product.
magkaiba yung product lines, magkaiba yung core values,
correct.
magkaibang company, magkaibang founder.
Hindi siya comparable.
Hindi siya.
Yes. So, ito. Thank you for those information. So, at least yung mga nakikinig sa atin tonight, they'll have more knowledge.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kapag may mga opportunities na mga nagsusulputan sa kaliwat kanan, at least ngayon mas alam na nila tingnan. And syempre kung magde-decide sila to start with USANA, syempre mas maganda kasi alam na nila ngayon na talagang very legit tong company. And to give you more information about how you can get to earn with this company, we will start with retail income. So ito yung sobrang simple lang niya. Yung kapag may product katulad ng Essentials, bibilhin lang natin siya at a member's price, and we are already qualified to sell it with a markup.
Actually, this is a universal business principle. Okay? Lahat ng negosyo, ayan ang principle retail. You buy it low, you sell it high. Yun lang naman talaga yung concept ng lahat ng business. And
kung members price, that's 3 to 50. For example, di ba kanina 5-star yung Essentials, and akala siguro ng iba 5-star. So siguro parang pang Shangri-La din yung price. Di ba 3 to 50 and it has 120 tablets divided by 112, pumapatak lang na almost 1450. O, di ba? Inad ko pa para sure. Di ba? Ang hina ko sa math ang naa-add ko lang ng maganda kapag nawi-withdraw ko na, hindi ako nagkakamali. Ayan. So, di ba? 14.50 sa araw-araw ngayon para maging secure yung health mo at 14.50 per tablet, grab mo na, di ba? Grab mo na. So, ako personally, yung mga family and friends namin ni Mark, na kapag bumibili sa akin, I make sure that I give them the discounted price. Pero kapag customer, I let them know na 3,900 talaga. And if they want to become a member so that they can avail discount, they can be part of our organization. Ayan. Any questions so far? Ayan. Okay. Pag may questions kayo, we have one of our coaches who will look at the chat box. Coach Jel will let me know if we have questions in the chat box. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yung tanong. Kung nasabi ko na yung retail, saan naman papasok ngayon yung other C, which is the commission? Oo. So,
yan ang gusto natin lahat.
Yan yung na-add ko din ng very, very good. Yan ang na-add ko ng very, very fast also. Where does the dollar that turns to peso comes from? Ayan. Explain mo yan kasi magaling ka IE ka. So, madali mo siyang
Actually,
ma-explain.
very simple siya. USANA manufactures products. And every product may corresponding points. Bakit tayo may points? Kasi since we are operating in 24 countries, we need somehow a universal unit of measure. Ayan. Kaya points.
Gusto ko yun. Universal unit of measure.
Pareho siya. Hindi siya
Parang pang no?
pointing
Parang
system.
global. Ibig sabihin global yung business mo.
Yes.
So,
kasi kapag nag-start ka sa USANA, kahit Philippine account ka, readily you can sell products
sa 24 countries kanina.
Bibigyan ka ng USANA, in fact, ng your own personal website, personal online store na people can buy dun through your online store. Ngayon, paano mini-measure ng USANA yung commissions mo. Depende dun sa ilan yung bumili sa'yo, bumili dun sa mga associates mo, and bumili sa online store mo. Lahat yun nako-compute into points,
Accumulative.
accumulative. Yan, nabubuo siya in total points. Then yung points, yun naman yung nako-convert into US dollars.
Ayan.
Ibig sabihin, kahit saan ka naman sa buong mundo, US dollars naman yung payout.
Yes.
Then, nako-convert since sa Philippines tayo.
Currently,
Philippine peso.
as we speak, each dollar, because of the volatility of
Yeah.
our global
Economy.
economic scenario.
Yes.
Yes, grabe, nagagamit ko yung mga terms ko galing sa banking background ko. Kasi 7 years ako na nasa bank, HSBC and ANZ. Ayan. Yung volatility natin, nag-iiba talaga very, very often yung rates ng dollars. And hindi lang dollars, hindi lang US dollars ang affected, kundi lahat ng currency. And as we speak, siguro, ang $1 is nasa 48 pesos lang.
Yes, last time I checked 48 pesos.
Yes. But, in USANA, friends, ito, sa lahat ng guests natin na mag-start with USANA, you are guaranteed that when you get a commission, $1 is equivalent to
53 pesos.
53 pesos. So, lamang na lamang agad kayo ng 5 pesos.
Oh, Forex gain yun.
Yes, forex gain ang tawag dyan. And can you imagine, guys, in this kind of pandemic scenarios that we are all in, we are able to earn dollar commission and spend in Philippine peso.
Yes, kasi yung iba, 'di ba, gusto pa mag-abroad, no? Pumunta sa ibang bansa just to earn US dollars or Canadian dollars. And yun malaking advantage ng opportunity natin dito sa USANA kasi you don't need to go outside of the country to earn dollars, no? Kasama pa yung family mo. Malaking difference. You earn in dollars, you spend in peso. Kasi people in our fellow Filipino na nasa ibang bansa, they can earn in dollars, but syempre dun sa kung nasa ibang bansa sila, ganun din yung cost of living nila. And kaya very, very thankful kami sa USANA kasi parang American income,
Yes.
Filipino lifestyle.
Actually, kami pa at this time, nasa Mindoro pa kami. Alam nyo ba, sa halagang 200 pesos, yung buong araw namin, puno na ng pagkain. Diba? Tapos meron kasi kami dito sa likod ng bahay na malunggay. Diba? Daming saging, may papaya, tinola. Sa tinola, manok na nga lang ang binibili. Kasi libre yung malunggay, papaya, yung kanin namin, abundant. Ang pandesal dito, piso. Alam mo yun, ang layo ng mararating ng pera mo. And ang maganda doon, kapag nag-offer ka ng opportunity ng USANA, you're not just offering an opportunity to earn commission, but also an opportunity to protect their health.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi ito parang, ang oportunista naman ito, pandemic na nga, puro negosyo.
Yeah.
Hindi. Nag-o-offer tayo ng USANA kasi, first and foremost, we want them to have the power and access to a good product. Total, bibili naman talaga sila ng kung ano-ano. Kesa naman putyo-putyo na lang na product ang ibili nila sa kung saan-saan lang. At least ito, tinuturuan muna natin sila. We are educating them first and foremost on how to choose the right brand, and we're also giving them the equal opportunity on how to earn their commissions in USANA while they're taking the products. Ang saya, di ba?
Kasi kapag nagtipid ka sa mga ganitong produkto, eventually sa huli mapapamahal ka din sa ospital, di ba?
They always tell me, okay Mara, bibili ako ng product, tapos yung expense ko madadagdagan because of the product, because of USANA. Ang lagi ko nung sinasabi, which is your good point, is that later on, you will realize, yung mga na-save mo, dahil hindi ka nag-take ng USANA, gagastusin mo din ito. Gagastusin mo din siya eh. At least ngayon, ito, sure ka na yung binibili mo ng USANA products, you're actually saving your health. For later on, you can prevent being hospitalized, being hit by, yun nga, mga viral or bacterial diseases that we have around us, and that for me is your most precious investment kapag health. Walang lugi.
Walang lugi.
Walang lugi sa health. Ayan. So, eto na. So, we've finished discussing ways of earning, company, kung bakit kami nag-start sa Usana, kung paano ako na-encourage mag-start sa Usana because of this product, yung kung paano mag-decide on what kind of vitamins you should buy, which is first, you have to look for safety, innovation, dependability, purity, and reliability na lahat yon makukuha natin sa Usana. And also, Mark here discuss on the points of legitimacy of multi-level marketing business. So far, yun na yung mga na-cover natin. And if you have more questions about those things, you can definitely ask the person who invited you. But now, we are going to move on how to start the business. Okay, so first, how to start your first or your minimum business center. One business center. Sorry, not your first, but one business center. We have options to start in Usana. So, ito yung first option, one business center. This has the maximum potential earning of $1,000 per week. And the initial investment for this is 200 points worth of products. If you are going to quantify that, kung nakita niyo yung itong Cellsentials, that is equivalent to 34 points. So, if the minimum worth of products is 200 points, anim. 6 Cellsentials lang, you can already start your one business center.
You're already an international independent distributor.
Yes, and you're already qualified for the retail sales and the weekly commissions. Okay? So, yun lang. But you can also opt for the discounted package, which is the 300 points, which we will show you later. So, for me, ang best-selling product currently are the Cellsentials. As in last week, it was sold out. And this week, it got replenished. So if you're going to start, you are in the best time of this opportunity to start because products are being sold out. Alam mo yon, sold out. As in people are like buying not only one pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs for their family to keep. Because number one, it's pandemic, yung money nila kapag nagkakapera sila, binibili agad nila ng products for health nila. Number two, magpapasko na imbis na magastos pa nila kung saan-saan, binibili lang din nila ng products. And number three, walang lugi. So kung binili nila yung products ng let's say 2-3 na extra para meron pa sila for the next year, dahil siguro yung money nila iniisip din nila kesa mapunta sa iba, sure sila na may product sila. Number 3 talaga is that people know the value of this product. Kaya these are being, these are selling out like hot dogs or pancakes. Mabilis kainin kasi. Anyways, yun. They are selling out like pancakes. Narinig ko lang yun sa movie.
Oo, narinig ko din yun.
Maganda pakinggan. Social.
Okay.
Yun. Second is the 3 business centers. The 3 business centers is the maximum way to start.
Yes.
Kumbaga, wala. Kahit meron kayong milyon-milyon sa bangko, ito lang talaga yung pwede nyong bilhin. Ito lang yung pwede nyong simulan sa umpisa. The 3 business centers has the maximum potential earning of $3,000 and the initial investment for this is 400 points. So, kung kanina, 6 na Cellsentials, ito 12. And ito yung package na sinasabi ko. May 500 points worth of discounted products. Later on, I'll show it kung nandito sa slide. But if not, kung hindi ko na siya mapapakita, you can ask the person who invited you. Okay? So, are we clear? Okay, clear. Ayan. Next. Where do you get the points? Ayan. So, this is what we've been discussing kanina.
Yes.
Sabi mo, kung may value yung product, kahit walang bumibili ng business, we will get commission continuously. And this is where it is coming from.
From users, people who use the products, love to use the products, month in, month out, they buy the products. Retailers, these are people who want to have an extra income per month.
On the side.
Retail.
Or kunyari, may work pa siya.
Pabenta-benta. Nauuso naman yan ngayon.
Yes,
benta-benta.
everybody is selling.
Yeah,
Everybody's selling.
something.
Kaya wag kayo mahihiya na maging part ng Usana and magbebenta tayo ng Usana.
Yeah.
wala nang kinakahiya ngayon kasi yung mga masasamang tao nga na masasamang bagay naman ang ginagawa, hindi sila nahihiya. 'Di ba? So bakit tayo mahihiya? Ang ganda-ganda ng product natin, ang ganda-ganda ng motibo natin na i-share sa ibang tao. So please lang, wala na dapat nahihiya ngayon na
Kasi
magbenta,
yung
okay?
ang maganda dito sa product natin, matagal yung shelf life, 2 years. Once na receive natin, roughly mga 1.5 to 2 years yung shelf life ng product natin. Matagal. Unlike ng kapag ang karamihan, di ba, nakita natin, nagbebenta sila ng food, ng pagkain ngayon, mga ulam-ulam.
Yes.
Talagang kapag hindi mo nabenta yon today, ay
Sira
di,
na bukas.
sira na bukas or buong araw ngayon, ang ulam mo ay yung niluto mo.
Oo.
So ito at least you have ample of
2 years
time
shelf
to
life.
really
Yung 6
promote
products, let's say magsa-start kayo, let's say tonight, nagandahan kayo sa mga sinabi naming kwento ni Coach Mark na legit din naman, hindi naman to gawa-gawa lang. Pwede kayo mag-start sa 6 Essentials. Yung 6 Essentials na yun, tatagal yun ng 2 years. Let's say hindi mo nabenta agad-agad.
agad-agad.
Eh di ikaw na lang gumamit.
Ubos yun within 2
Ubos yun within 1 year pa lang.
Pero
Oo, sa buong family.
In our case, mga one week, 2 weeks na madali siyang
Oo. Just this week, kahit nasa Mindoro ako, I was able to dispatch 15 pairs of Essentials in Manila, in Leyte, and there's another batch pa na pending for dispatching tomorrow. So, wala talagang excuse. Lahat talaga naghahanap ng Essentials. So, yan yung guarantee na dito sa Usana walang lugi.
Walang lugi.
And number 3,
Business builders. These are people who find users and find retailers and find builders just like them.
and katulad namin ni Mark, we are
Are
considered
business
as business builders. Yung patuloy na nagkikwento ng buhay sa Usana. Kasi itong business na to, nagkikwento ka lang talaga.
Yes. Oo.
Ito lang, itong ginagawa namin. sa 7 years namin.
Doesn't feel like work kapag ganito yung ginagawa.
Kasi iniisip ko, ano bang
Mahirap.
kakaiba or complex? Di naman tayo nire-require tumambling habang nagpe-present katulad nito. Wala, ito lang talaga. So sa lahat ng mga mahilig makipagkwentuhan dyan, this is the perfect opportunity for you to build a business.
And the good thing is you can design the business according to your own lifestyle.
Yes,
Kung may family
correct.
ka, single ka, saan ka man nakatira. Wala na ngayon limitations dahil sa power of the internet. Marami tayong mga ganitong mga tools.
Yes. And ang pinakamaganda nun, pwede kayo umattend na itong pantaas lang yung formal. Tapos yung pambaba, nakapajama
Yes.
na kayo, 'di ba? So, there's no excuse anymore. We have all the opportunity that we need, 'di ba? And Usana is one opportunity na talaga namang hindi lang health, hindi lang compensation, kundi you are going to be one step closer to the freedom, no? To the freedom of designing your own life. So, kami ni Mark, personally, we are very, very thankful and grateful that we get to homeschool our kids. We get to design our everyday life, not prioritizing work, but instead prioritizing our family life first, and then the work of Usana business can actually adjust because we are the one managing it. Alright? So, yun yung ganda ng business. So, ang saya lang talaga mag-Usana. Oo, tama. Chika-chika lang talaga to. Walang requirement dito. Tagalog, English. Nag-English lang ako minsan-minsan kasi maganda pakinggan. Pero actually, kung Tagalog, okay lang. Indonesian, Bahasa, European, kahit ano, pwede, Japanese. Basta naiintindihan ka ng kausap mo kasi yun yung priority. Ma-deliver mo yung message ng true health and true wealth. Alright, so ito pa yung pinaka maganda sa Usana, which I think will conclude our presentation for tonight. Yung core values ng Usana na hindi nababago. Number 1 is integrity. Ayan. Sa lahat ng characteristics or ng values, ito yung pinakamaganda, yung integrity. Kasi ito yung tinitingnan natin sa tao kapag may nakikilala tayo. The integrity is who you are when nobody is looking, or who you are when you're alone. And with Usana, it has been always consistent
Yes.
with its integrity in terms of the product, in terms of the company, and especially with its financial status
Transparent.
o transparency. So USANA is at New York Stock Exchange and it's publicly listed. It has a zero
Zero debt.
debt. Wala siyang utang na company. And at the same time, the integrity is unquestionable when it comes to product. Kapag may konting error yung product, pwede mo siyang isole.
Yeah.
And they'll really take a look at it. And so far talaga, it's a very, very rare situation.
Wala nga ito.
Number 2 is excellence. Excellence is next to godliness. Ayan. Excellence is, they've been very, very excellent in providing the best product. Kahit maganda na yung product,
Yeah, they keep on improving it.
previous year, if they find a new way to improve it, they keep on doing that regardless of the additional budget that they will be required to shell out. Basta maibigay nila yung the best product sa mga customers. Number 3 is health. And this is a core value of USANA. Niwalangan sales eh. Diba? There is no even sales and marketing or even dollar income word in the core values. It has health instead, because it's really the
The
main vision of the founder, that we become members of the healthiest family on earth. O, di ba ang ganda? Kaya kapag sa sana, pag may bago kami sponsor, welcome to the healthiest family on earth. Di ba? So, next is community. And this is something that I'm really, really very proud of. And not only with our whole USANA community, because every day in and day out, umulan man or umaraw, talagang ang USANA Corporate or USANA Philippines offers amazing trainings that are free.
Yeah.
Afternoon, evening, wala nang excuse, 'di ba? And also with our existing team and our existing organization, which is Team Max, we also have consistent community support to everyone who are just starting, who is working, and who wants to really build this business. And I'm very, very proud of that. So, yun yung mga core values na pinanghawakan ng USANA, ng team natin, and syempre namin ni Mark. Ayan. And yun yung mga dahilan kung bakit kami nagsimula sa USANA at kung bakit hanggang ngayon nasa USANA pa rin kami after 10 years. Ayan. So, yun lang. And so, our prayer for everyone is that, dear friend, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along well. So in USANA, we're going to really enjoy everything that we do, because everything that we do here helps so many people, and they are also being inspired and being encouraged to love their life even better and encourage even more people. So, yun lang yung gusto namin i-share sa ating kwentuhan na to. And again, my name is Mara.
I'm Mark.
And if you have any questions about USANA, about this business opportunity that we've just shared, please feel free to ask for more information with from the person who invited you, or you can just connect with us. We are on Facebook, Maradona Season Pasco, Mark Arthur Pasco. So you can just, send us a message and we will answer you back. We are really, really looking forward to have you onboarded and para matulungan ka namin na magbago din yung buhay mo. And kami ni Mark sa 10 years, wala na siguro din kaming ibang goal kundi mas makatulong pa.
Yes.
Kasi itong blessing na to, hindi sobra-sobra to para sa aming dalawa lang. Apaw, liklig at sigsig to para sa amin. Kaya dapat talaga i-share. Oo. Ayun, may sabihin ka?
Siguro hindi na namin din nakikita yung sarili namin na mag-retire kasi sometimes yung iba yun yung goal mag-retire. And for me, yung goal na pag-retire, ibig sabihin hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo in the first place. Mm-hmm. Sa amin, financially, pwede na kami mag-retire, pero yung passion namin to really do the business because we love the people we are working with, and we love the business principle of USANA kasi before ka maging successful, you need to help a lot of people become successful. It sounds very, and it feels very
purposeful.
yun, purposeful. Kasi sa ibang structure ng business, kung ikaw yung owner, ang gusto mo or pinagpe-pray mo, wag maghingi ng pay raise yung mga employees mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba? Yun yung
Kasi
gusto
hindi
mo.
mo kayang ibigay.
Kaya hindi mo kaya ibigay. Pero in this business principle of Usana, you will work with your people so that all of them can get a pay raise. Di ba?
Yes.
Parang
And there's no limit.
no limit.
Sky is the limit here. Just this afternoon, one of
Yeah.
our sponsors, who even have a higher rank than us, visited us here.
Here.
Oo, ang saya lang na yung makita mo yung tinuturuan mo lang before
Oo.
na sobrang successful na at kasama mo pa rin
Yes,
ngayon.
yes.
Oo. So, ito lang siguro yung negosyo na pwede mong isali yung mga kaibigan mo, kapamilya mo, na wala kang inaalalang magiging competition mo sila.
Makakapamili ka pa ng kasama mo. No?
Oo. 'Di ba ang hirap nung minsan makakatrabaho mo yung ayaw mo. Kaya dito sa Usana, pwede mong hatakin yung mga gusto
Gusto
mo.
mo.
Oo, tama.
Yung
So,
kakapihan mo din naman talaga.
Oo.
Magkakapit kayo.
Kakwentuhan mo din,
kahit
diba?
walang business, maganda yung kasama mo na rin sa negosyo. At least,
yes.
yung nagkakwentuhan kayo, na kaibigan mo, meron pa kayong mga future plans
Yes,
na you
yes.
can work on together.
Yes, it's such a very fulfilling and ayun nga, very purposeful. And sa buhay, to have a purposeful work is really a great opportunity. Yeah, it's a
yes.
great opportunity that not everyone is able to have. So with you sana, kung narinig niyo tong kwento na to at na-inspire kayo, magsimula lang kayo. Pag nakapagsimula kayo, lahat naman sa lahat ng nagsisimula may hirap. Pero ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, napakasimple nito. Yung lahat ng nagsisimula, mahihirapan siguro tayo ng konti lang, pero kaya nyong gawin. Kasi sa sobrang simple. There's a proper system, a proper process that is already set in place. That when you get to be onboarded, you will have step-by-step guide on how to build
Worth
your
the
business.
hirap.
Yes.
Tama yung term ni
Grace.
Coach Grace. Yes, worth the hirap.
Yes, sa 10 taon namin, madami din kaming mahirap na pinagdaanan. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, pwede tayong mamili
Yes.
ng hirap. Sabi nga, choose your hard. 'Di ba? So this is what we chose.
Yeah.
This kind of hard na alam namin sa bawat araw na ginagawa namin ng Usana, walang hindi binabalik.
Yes.
So itong time na na-enjoy namin, itong time freedom na meron kami dito sa probinsya ngayon na tuloy ang negosyo, internet lang ang puhunan at kwento. At siguro kape, tubig, 'di ba? At lahat ng hirap ay ibinabalik. Lahat ng na-invest naming oras, lahat na-invest naming energy, currently binabalik yun ng Usana that we get to enjoy this kind of life in the midst of global pandemic na alam natin na madaming taong nahihirapan. Kaya dapat tayo mas aggressive tayo ngayon na mag-deliver ng message na to so that we will get to help them in our own simple way. Kasi kung may alam ka, dapat share mo.
I-share mo.
Yes. Sharing is caring. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. I hope that we get to see you online more often and also in person kapag katatapos na to lahat. Right? So, that's it for tonight. Thank you so much for spending time with us. And I hope that you get to got to enjoy. And if you are inspired with this story, we will upload this on our YouTube channel so that you can share this. You can share this video to them. All right? So please feel free to again talk to your sponsor or to the person who invited you. Ayan. So thank you everyone. Have a great night. Good night everyone. God bless you. And again, we will have this talks, these kinds of talks every day. Tomorrow we will have a very inspiring person who will share her story of working from home. She is a full-time mom, but she is an accountant and an OFW currently living in Dubai, if I'm not mistaken. Basta UAE area. So she's now currently enjoying her full-time motherhood and entrepreneurial journey with Yusana. Ayan. So please join us if you want to know more with and hear her story. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
everyone. Good night. Bye-bye.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us.